Guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back doing long form content. I've had a few days off. I'm mainly doing shorts because this week has just been extremely busy. There is a lot going on in my world at the moment, but I'm still keeping everyone updated. I hope you're all doing well. And I've been keeping a close eye on all the markets, both the crypto and the stock market. Stock market's booming. Bitcoin's back up above 63,000 US dollars, which is incredible. A lot of news to go through today. Also, my bots are in profit, which is really good. We do have Ripple and XRP news. The Ethereum ETFs are, three of them have actually gotten approval, which is really nice to see that actually. And we've got some other news in terms of, all this Donald Trump saga that's happened, and it's been devastating in the United States. We're all human beings. It's tragic to see what happened over the last, 3 or 4 days. It's unbelievable. Michael Dell as well, very, very bullish on Bitcoin. We got an interview with Larry Fink. BlackRock CEO, which is crazy. Updates as well for the Kraken CEO as well, the main catalysts and what's coming for the next crypto boom. And we're going to get into all of that. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting pretty wild in the space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is my number one golden rule, is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, all right? So be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. I have literally tried to stop vaping, so I'm going on to something else at the moment just to try to quit that. So I've got something in my my mouth right here, just letting everyone know. Probably just a little bit weird, but anyway, I'm trying to get off those pesky nicotine things. Anyway, right. Let's get into it, guys. Community tab. All right, so we can scroll down and see what's going on here. And we do have the Dell CEO. I mean, this guy's worth a lot of money, but fascinating that BlackRock CEO and Larry Fink announced he's a major believer in Bitcoin. This is just the beginning. There's big money coming into this space. There was billions of dollars poured into Bitcoin ETFs last week, which is awesome. Top altcoins in my portfolio, we had Veracity, Telcoin, CKB, Digibyte, and the Graph. All right, very, very nice cryptocurrencies right there. And again, I've been keeping a close eye on the markets, and yeah, we're slowly creeping back up, which is really, really good. Going to CoinMarketCap today, we're at $2.36 trillion. We're still not, anywhere near that 3 trillion at the moment, but big things are going to be starting to come into this market. I'm very, very bullish and optimistic. And people have to be aware that there's been a lot of, macro things happening. Of course, we've got Mt. Gox, repaying all the creditors, and Germany selling off 50,000 Bitcoin, which is just wild. Volumes at $83 billion. Dominance for Bitcoin's 53. And we are moving out of the neutral zone for the Fear and Greed Index, which is really good as well. Bitcoin's currently trading at $63,732. Ethereum, $3,428. Solana's at $155. Got an interesting article on Solana, of course. XRP, and by the way, this is my portfolio that I share in the Wall Street Bull University. It is linked below. I've been posting up there every day, and as well as my dividend investing as well. XRP's at 54 cents. Doge at 12 cents. Cardano at 43 cents. Tron's at 13 cents. I'm still holding on to my Shiba Inu. I haven't sold it. We've got Litecoin at $72, ICP $9.56, XLM at 10 cents, Hedera's at 7, VeChain up 2.5% today, just above 3 cents, which again has been annoying. Immutable X $1.46, Sui 84 cents, which is nice. Quant is at $78, Axie's $5.91. I mean, I was dollar cost averaging at the peak of the bull market at $80 for Axie Infinity. XDC at 3 cents, Alluvium $66, Casper's at 2 cents as well. LCX is pumping, guys, 14%. LCX is like an exchange based in Liechtenstein, I believe it is. And again, they are tokenizing diamonds, which is a major industry, billions and billions of dollars, okay? XYO also very, very nice in the pennies. Let's have a look here. Star Atlas, I like the game. Reef is up 4% as well. That's still in the pennies. And of course, some gems right here. Ubix Network, again, it's like a Russian-based Ethereum. AGIX as well. And OMI token is up 1.6. So the market is overall in the green, which is really good to see that. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And before I do, yes, again, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. This is my official Patreon page where I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots, news before I go live on the channel. All my links to the 3 commas bots are in here, and they are still running, by the way. I'm going to go through that in a second. Also, my dividend investing, which is, extremely bullish for me and provides cash flow every single month. This is going to be generational wealth, which will go down, to my daughter one day eventually. So very, very nice to see that as well. So go join up. There is a free membership to this and a paid one. Up to you. If you are any kind of member, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And again, if you are a paid member, thank you so much. It really goes a long way to support me and help me do this, incredible content for every one of you. And let's go to 3 commas quickly now again. 3 commas is an official sponsor of my channel. I've been using 3 commas now for 3 years. It's incredible trading software. You literally set and forget. Here are all the bots that I've got running at the moment. I've got ICP, BCH, Chainlink, AVAX, Shiba Inu, Cardano, Toncoin, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and a few others for Solana as well. Immutable X as well. Again, this is on the spot market. I just want to make that very clear. So the spot trading market, so again, you're not trading with leverage. You're only trading basically when the coin goes up in value, and the bot will adjust itself to take profits. Right, now obviously I've got the Gate.io bot now, but again, the spot trading bots are on OKX. And of course, Gate.io, I have the leverage trading bots. Now again, I've gone 3x leverage with these because of course the market volatility. It's actually up today as well, which is really nice. It's $33. I'm not complaining about that. And again, I'm trading only a few coins with this, maybe the top, I think it was the top 5 coins. So, there's less volatility. Again, it's up to you. Don't go crazy on the leverage because there's still a lot of volatility in the markets. Now, having a quick look at OKX, you can see that they have made me $154 so far this week on OKX in the spot trading. We're up a little bit down at the moment, but guys, this is what happens. And again, $154, I'm not complaining about that. All right, so that is all in the Wall Street Bull University. Really, really nice. Now, again, top altcoins, Crypto Bubbles. We have the meme coins pumping 21% for Pepe. Floke is up 17%, which is crazy. Jasmy is a nice coin. I like to trade it. It's up 9% as well. 644 on the year, which is crazy. Let's have a look here. We have Near Protocol as well, 7%. Very, very nice to see that. And of course, if you go to the year, just quickly right now, I want to show everyone this. The biggest gainers, of course, are, Bonk is 7,500%, which is ridiculous. Pepe, Floki, Toncoin, Solana still up 465%. This particular project, again, I'm extremely bullish on. It's the best, gainer in my entire portfolio. And I'm still continuing to dollar cost average. And I'm glad I've done that. I've got an automatic buy set up every single week for a certain amount of cryptos that I like. Mainly, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, LCX as well. I'm very, very bullish on. And of course, Hedera, ALGO, all of the banking coins that we know and love. All right. Now, XRP news today, legal rulings and XRP spot ETF potential fuel breakout. I can't wait for this. I really can't. But investors await the remedies related court verdict from the SEC vs Ripple case. Judge Torres ruled July 2023 that Ripple violated the securities laws. And again, Ripple expects the verdict in the coming months. So we could see a resolution finally in this case. And with all of the US election going on, I think people are turning much more pro-crypto right now. I'm just saying that's the feeling I'm getting in the market. And let's have a look here as well. The spot ETF market. Can there be an XRP ETF? There will potentially be one. There's no doubt about that. And at the end to the SEC Ripple case, without legal challenges over XRP's classification as a commodity, could pave the way for XRP spot ETFs. CME Group announced on Thursday, July 11th, that it will launch a new CME CF reference rates and real-time indices for XRP, which is very, very bullish. and the CME Group announcement was significant. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse commented on the CME Group's plans to offer transparent pricing. First step to institutional products is to have trusted benchmark reference rate. We're on our way to an XRP ETF. I'm telling you now, filings for US XRP spot ETFs could boost demand for XRP, which is nice. In November 2023, XRP surged to 75 cents on the fake news of BlackRock filing an XRP spot ETF, which again went parabolic. I don't know if anyone remembers this, but I do clearly. And it looks like the launch of a date of Ethereum ETFs will be next Tuesday as well. And we're going to get into that now because, again, this is crazy. The SEC has given preliminary approval for 3 ETFs. Excuse me. Right now, we've got BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, and Van Eck have reportedly received preliminary approval from the US SEC. And again, I think Gary Gensler is going to be put in a position now that, the US election is pretty much, I mean, it's a done deal in my opinion. I'm just saying I don't like to get political on my channel, but, you got to understand that I've got a video of the, now vice president that Trump has picked that is very pro-crypto and against Gary Gensler. So, Gary's trying to please all of the, congressmen and women. I think it's going to be crazy right now. But SEC gave approval, preliminary approval, and could start trading as early as next Tuesday. Now, we're at the 16th of July. It's going to be a very, very bullish next, 12 days, so to speak. Can't wait for that. Let's have a look here. And again, yes, I know all the tragic stuff that happened with Donald Trump. It was unbelievable to witness that. I woke up on Sunday morning to witness that, and I was in complete shock. I mean, it's not good for any person basically in the world, all right? So we're all human beings, and it's not good to see that for anyone. But CEO of Bitcoin Magazine said that Donald Trump is determined to speak at the Bitcoin 2024 conference, which is going to be absolutely wild, and I can honestly say that, Bitcoin's price will pump on that. And I wish everyone all the best, and, condolences to everybody that lost their lives in that. It was tragic. Anyway, we do have another news article on Solana. Price could rise 450% to $840 and I honestly would see this could happen. I really do. And again, there are ETF applications currently in place at the moment, and it's easily done. Also points out to the Fibonacci extension, which also suggests that the price is headed for a new all-time high. The extension points to Solana climbing to $550, even higher as $840, right? Which would mean a 450% move from its current value. And of course, we have the ETF applications. They are in progress at the moment, which is nice to see that. Michael Dell, again, calls Bitcoin fascinating amid BlackRock CEO's bullish stance and tech billionaires' crypto interest is rising. This is nice as well. And we're going to watch this interview with Larry Fink, so I'm not going to get too much into that at the moment. And can Ethereum, after these ETF approvals, potentially hit 100K? I think realistically in the next, 12 months, once they're approved, we could easily see, 10 to 40K, in my opinion. And Bitcoin would obviously well and truly surge. Once all of this stuff is cleared out, Mt. Gox, Germany, Grayscale selling off a lot of Bitcoin. Once this all stops, I mean, it's just going to continue to grow in value like it has done for, since its inception. People need to be patient with that. And then, of course, there's a lot of macro news that could boost the crypto market, which is really nice to see this. And the head of the US-based crypto exchange, Kraken. And look at this. And I think this is what he's saying right now. But yes, I think in the short run, I'd say there are about 4 big catalysts in the second half that I'm looking out for. So broadly speaking, risk assets, we're talking about the macro economy. Canada, Europe already cutting interest rates. The question is when the Fed is going to do and to what degree are they going to do it with crypto. Specifically, the Ethereum ETF launch is a big deal that brings a lot of attention on crypto again and brings a lot of capital flows. It's a rising tide lifts and boasts this story right now. And again, I think it's going to be very, very bullish times. Let's go to cryptometer.io, then we're going to get into X and have a look at what's going on there. Money going into Solana, Ethereum, Pepe, Shiba Inu, BNB, Near Protocol. We've got EOS, Phantom, Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum. That is a given right now. Let's go to X. I want to play these interviews with you. And again, thank you to those 6,482 people. You guys absolutely rock. I really appreciate all of you. Yes, next Tuesday, the 23rd of July, we could see the first launch of the Ethereum ETFs. That's going to be insane. The market's rising. Whoop, I just knocked my computer right here. And this is an interesting one here. JD Vance on Gensler. Have a listen to this. I want to play this for you guys.
Is Gary Gensler. Okay, so Gary Gensler is sort of the complete opposite of my view. And there are two problems that I have with Gary. One of which is that I think he wants to inject politics way too much into the actual business of securities in the United States of America. But in some ways, the more fundamental issue, or at least the most relevant issue for this particular conference is the approach that Gary has taken to regulating blockchain and crypto seems to be almost the exact opposite of what it should be. And I'm oversimplifying a little bit, but the question the SEC seems to ask in regulating crypto is this a token with utility? And if it's a token with utility, then they seem to want to ban it. And if it's a token without utility, they don't seem to care. I almost think we should be the opposite here, right? I worry about financialization. I worry about, frankly, whether a lot of the crypto stuff is fundamentally fake. But if a token actually has utility, that's the sort of thing that, by all means, regulate it. By all means, be careful about, how consumers interact with it. But you don't want to just get rid of this stuff. And here's where...
There you go. Come on. This is incredibly bullish stuff right here. Jack the Rippler, thank you for this one. Live on CME Group, the leading derivatives marketplace, $1.2 quadrillion. Very, very bullish stuff right here. There is an interview with Larry Fink. I want to play this. Have a listen to this.
You have been a leader in willing to embrace crypto. You have made it so that people can be in Bitcoin. We hear that you are thinking about Ethereum. These are incredible things. Now, BlackRock is not known as a gunslinger by any means, so you obviously must believe that this maybe is an alternative. Is this an alternative in order to be able, because of a deficit, maybe something long-term people should have?
Absolutely. As you know, I was a skeptic.
Yes.
I was a proud skeptic. And I studied it, learned about it, and I came away saying, okay, my opinion 5 years ago was wrong. Here's my opinion today. This is what I believe in today. I believe the opportunity today. I believe Bitcoin is legitimate. I'm not trying to say there's not misuses like everything else, but it is a legitimate financial instrument that allows you to have maybe uncorrelated, non-correlated type of returns. I believe it is an instrument that you invest in when you're more frightened, though. It is an instrument when you believe that countries are debasing their currency, debasing their currency by excess deficits, and some countries are. I believe we have countries where you're frightened of your everyday existence, and if you have an opportunity to invest in something that is outside your country's control, then you can have more financial control. And so I'm a major believer that there is a role for Bitcoin in portfolios. I believe you're going to see that as one of the asset classes that we all look at. I look at it as digital gold, as I said before, and I do believe there's a real need for everyone to look at it as one alternative to, I would say, the optimism that I have in the world. If you want to hedge hope, Bitcoin is not an instrument for hope unless you're hopeful you're going to make a lot of money on it. But I look at it as a vehicle in which you're expressing your financial acumen in something that you're more frightened of the world. You're more frightened of your existence. And I believe there's a great industrial use for it. And I think a lot of people are missing that.
Come on. That is extremely bullish right there. Honestly. We're all very, very early in this space. Things are coming into this incredible industry right here, and I'm insanely bullish as always, and my position has not changed. Seriously, I'm just dollar cost averaging, buying no matter what the market is doing, and I'm glad I've done that. Automatic buys. I think everyone should take a look at that if you're interested in just having that, set and forget kind of thing, and that's like the crypto trading bots. Anyway, thanks very much, guys. I'll speak to everyone hopefully tomorrow. I've got a pretty busy day, but... yeah, guys, I'm doing shorts on the channel, and follow me on socials as well, all right? Take care of yourselves. Stay bullish. Have a good night, good afternoon, good morning. If it's morning, have an espresso like I'm going to do right now, all right, guys? Take care of yourselves. Peace out. Bye.